I was 7, and for Christmas, there was a gift that couldn't fit under the tree. And so my parents took me downstairs into our basement, into our garage really, because there was a very, very long box. And I didn't know what it was, but they told me it was a trampoline. And I'll never forget the first time I made a leap of faith and I flipped my body around and I landed on my feet. Or I probably landed on my knees more likely, or on my stomach. But then I realized, oh, it's that easy. Next thing I know, backflip, continuous backflips. That led me into gymnastics, which pointed me toward dance, but my sister sidetracked me into cheerleading. Then I moved into dance, ballet, the study of voice, the study of acting. I found that what I really love about storytelling is not necessarily telling the story, but instead going, give me your attention and look at that. Hey, look at that. Hey, check this out. I want to direct people's attention to the mysterious. How does the story bring the mysterious? Twyla Tharp said, art is the bridge from the mental to the physical. And it's never the way you think it's going to be. That's the struggle of the artist, is that you have this idea and it's going to look this way and it's going to feel this way and everyone's going to get this thing from it. And as you begin constructing it, you say, wait, no, that's not how it was supposed to go. That's not how it was supposed to be. What? Hang on, what? I want to point people toward the bend in their path. I want people to walk their own path. I want to inspire people. But you don't inspire people by going, watch me! Look how I do it! Instead, you stand beside them and say, hey, look, there's a door. So I always tell my students, I can't open that door for you. I can't walk through it. I can point it out, because often it's going like this, and your eyes just look right through it. But as soon as someone goes, hey, look, a door, you go, oh, shit, where did that come from? But you gotta turn the handle, you gotta push it, you gotta walk through it. And I think that's why we tell stories.